Installation instructions for the Belldinni invisible interior doors. Remove all components from the packaging and get them ready for installation. It's crucial to install this frame before plastering and painting the walls. The flooring may be installed, but the baseboard should not be. Now, let's list all the components of the frame. Structural elements of the door frame. Concealed door hinges with caps. Belldinni magnetic door lock with strike plate. Door handles with screws and hex key. Plastic connectors. Now prepare all the tools necessary for installation: power drill, hammer, tape measure, level, chisel, wood shims, self-centering hinge drills, screws. Let's start by assembling the frame. Place all parts of the frame on a level surface, and then join them using plastic connectors. Each connector is marked with the corresponding side of the frame. Install the assembled frame in the opening. Use shims between the frame and the wall if necessary. Adjust using a level. Secure the hinge jamb with screws. After that, check the frame with a level one more time. Let's prepare the door slab for installation. Install concealed hinges on the door slab. Make sure you are using the right side of the hinges. Pre-drill holes for each screw using a drill bit with a diameter smaller than the diameter of the screws. Remove the pre-installed screws in the jamb hinge holes. Mount the door slab in the frame by inserting the free side of the hinges into the jamb. Secure the screws. Set the remaining part of the frame to align with the door slab, ensuring an even gap. Then, secure the rest of the frame using screws. Let's install the magnetic lock. Make sure you are installing it correctly. Pre-drill holes for each screw using a drill bit with a diameter smaller than the diameter of the screws. Please note that screws might not be included with every order. You can see the dimensions for the screws on the screen. Secure the lock. Start installing the door handle by securing the spindle. Install the rest of the handle as usual. Remove the pre-installed screws in the lock hole. Install the strike plate. One side of the strike plate is wider than the other. Check if the door lock is closing properly. If not, flip the strike plate upside down. Install the hinge caps. Install the telescopic inner frame elements inside the installed frame. Secure each part with screws. Thanks for watching. To learn how to finish plastering and painting your wall and door frame, please watch the video below.